is housekeeping? So housekeeping in a simple definition is taking care of household affairs. Who is a housekeeper? You are.
You are a housekeeper.
That this isn't just for women. This is for anybody and everybody who lives under a roof and who has to maintain their home. If you do dishes, if you cook, if you clean or pick up or do laundry,
you are a housekeeper.
You're housekeeping, you're maintaining your house, you're maintaining your living space. Why should we housekeep? Why should we maintain our home? Well, besides the fact that nobody wants to live in filth, there are some wonderful mental health benefits to living in a clean space. From my personal experience with mental health issues, as well as seeing other people struggle with depression and anxiety, one of the first things to go when you get depressed is basic household management. And those chores become overwhelming, and it really adds this weight when you're already feeling depressed. It's easy to get depressed in a cluttered and messy space. I don't know what it is. If we all can just learn these simple household management skills, when depression comes, and it comes for everybody. Everybody experiences depression at some point in their life at a different level. And so you just want to be prepared. Being able to maintain your space helps aid and helps fight that battle of depression. So that's one of the main reasons why maintaining housekeeping is so important. That's my number one reason. So we know what housekeeping is, we know who it's for, we know why we should do it. Last, I just want to cover how. And the how is this channel, Real Housekeeping. I want to be able to knock down that stigma of what being a housekeeper is, and that it means you need to have a perfect home, because that is so far from the reality. I consider myself a good housekeeper, and our place is a mess right now. Well, okay, here, look it over there. Not really a mess, but it's not like picture perfect, and it's not picture perfect all the time, and that's okay, because I'm proud of the job that I'm doing, and I know it's in love, and I find joy in it. So anyways, this channel will help you from being overwhelmed with chores and daily tasks to really taking on the privilege of running and managing your household. And there's a few things that I challenge you to do before you really start on this housekeeping journey, as I went on, or that I'm going on, that I'm in. First, I want to challenge you to change your mind. There really needs to be a divorce between annoyance and household chores. Housekeeping is a full-time job. And if you're working a job, if you're working 2 jobs, if you're working 3 jobs, that means you are coming home to your 2nd, 3rd, 4th job of housekeeping tired and exhausted. And just know you're not alone. I want to see you make the switch from being overwhelmed and overrun by chores to having a hold of your home. It's not going to look perfect, and it will be messy, but if you have a hold on it, you're going to feel better about yourself. The home is just going to hold a different energy. And let housekeeping be woven into the values of your home. Second, and this is kind of the opposite end, we have to break any perfectionism that we have, that if we don't do 110%, we can't do it at all. Don't feel like you have to do the same routine every night, that you have to have your house looking the same way every night before you go to bed. Just do a quick reality check. What do you have time for? Are you single and living by yourself and you want to take your housekeeping journey to like Martha Stewart level? Or are you just a single college guy or gal looking to learn how to do laundry or to cook a simple meal? What is your goal? And lastly, I challenge you to do it with a smile. I will say this, that heart triumphs over effort. I want to ask you, how do you want people to remember the way that you managed your house? What is the impression that you want to leave on people when they walk into your home? Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for joining me on my journey of becoming a real housekeeper.